Roddie was born just a normal, typical 8-pound, 2-ounce healthy baby boy. The love of our lives, our firstborn, first son. And then at about age 2, he went to sleep one night and woke up the next morning. And all of the small words that he had as a toddler were whispers. And he said, "Ma, Ma." And I said, "Roddie, stop playing, say mama." And all I got was, "Ma, Ma." Like he had a cold and he was very hoarse. So I panicked and called his pediatrician. When we got to the doctor's office, all of the "Ma, Ma" was gone. And I had a toddler who had no words. It took us 58 doctors across this country to get a diagnosis. And finally, Shands in Gainesville says he has the worst case of receptive and expressive aphasia we have ever seen.
The Moreland family was devastated when they learned their son would never be normal, but worked very hard every day to ensure Roddie had the best life possible. They did everything for Roddie, but as the years went by and Roddie grew into a young man, so did his long list of medical problems. He suffers from 3 different kinds of epilepsy, is on 4 seizure medications, requires someone to help him with all aspects of daily life, and without 24-hour supervision is in danger of dying. Roddie began receiving services from the state under the Medicaid waiver program during the day, and his parents supervise him at night. Unfortunately, the state began reducing his services.
Year after year, Roddie received cuts in services, and they were cut in such a manner that actually jeopardized his health and safety. That's where Southern Legal Counsel got involved.
Southern Legal Counsel is a Florida statewide not-for-profit public interest law firm that is committed to protecting basic human and civil rights. With their help, Roddie has maintained all of his needed services, and a precedent was set that helped thousands of others whom the state wanted to reduce needed services.
They fought very hard, not only for Roddie, but for over 50,000 other individuals that receive services. Roddie is very successful today because of the services that Southern Legal Counsel have fought for to make sure that they remain in place for him. He has a job. He has 2 part-time jobs. He has a small vending machine business, and the providers take him out and he cleans the machines. He gets to collect the money.
Everyone deserves to have, a normal life. So his services are very much needed, and you can actually see why. You completed everything?
Yeah.
You wiped it down?
Mine.
Huh?
Mine.
Wiped it down?
Mine.
Good?
Good.
All right. Good job.
Yeah.
This is the Dynavox, and it's a communication device that allows him to communicate with the outside world who doesn't know sign language.
This helps the National Children Cancer Society.
And what else?
Good. Good.
Can we put a small vending machine in your business?
Supporting Southern Legal Counsel helps your friends and neighbors who have disabilities remain in their home with the services they need, rather than being forced to move to a nursing home or some other institution. Southern Legal Counsel cares about people and relies on private donations to continue their service to our community.
Our plans to support Southern Legal Counsel is to really just put them in our budget, literally. We know that the work that Southern Legal Counsel does is so precious. So I encourage anybody out there that is looking for a worthy cause, something that's going to make a difference in the lives of individuals long term, to consider doing just that. Just consider putting them in your budget and writing them a check. It's okay if it fluctuates month to month, but just give that a consideration, because they truly do change lives. They really do.